Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 1 Plus, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos from the phone to SD card. So I already have an SD card in this device, and to get started all we need to do is navigate into the files right here, and once you tap on it you can go into images because we want to transfer photos, but you can do this for basically anything else, assuming you have other files basically like music or documents, videos. You can select whatever you want, but for this we're gonna use the only image we have. So you basically want to select it. You can select multiple or all of them if you want, and then you just tap on here and you have two options. You have either copy to SD card or move to SD card. If you copy, you basically will have two photos in two separate locations, so one will be on the phone and one on the SD card. If you move it, it will be basically transferred from the phone into the SD card only, and it will be basically gone from like the internal storage of the device. So I'm just gonna select move to SD card. I need to allow it, and now as you can see it's moved, and it can basically distinguish it by the little icon that is next to the size of the photo. You have a little icon of a SD card, meaning that the device is, or the photo is actually from the SD card now. And if I would take it out, it would just disappear from here. So that is how you would transfer photos to SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.